So how do you measure success in your marketing, in your email marketing? I want to show you what I do. So this is one of my mailboxes. This is one of my, mailboxes I don't really use for much. You should have one that you use, a variety of them that you use so you can see if you're getting good deliverability or whatnot. So speaking of that, I want to mention that a lot of people try to measure deliverability by having what are called honeypot mailboxes. These are like mailboxes that you set up just for monitoring what gets into the inbox or what gets into the main tab. And they define the success of their mailing is by how many people got into the inbox on these honeypot mailboxes. And there are services, services that will monitor your email deliverability by giving you a whole list of these emails that you can use. And then, they're going to give you all the number that landed in the inbox and the number that landed in spam. And you got all of them in the inbox. And these really aren't effective. They're really not effective because you have to have a real mailbox that you interact with, that you open some things, that you click on some things just like you normally would. And if you don't do that, then it's like a fake mailbox and you're not going to be able to get any real deliverability information out of that. Because most people are reading an email like this online, right? So they can tell if I'm clicking on this. They can tell. They can tell if I spent so much time on it if they really want to. And believe me, they do. So they can measure engagement. So when somebody sends an email, they can see how many people actually clicked on that email, how many opened it, how long did they spend, and they can determine whether or not they want to keep delivering those emails to the important tab or for anything at all. So your game is, for success, is to get delivered and open in the real world, not in monitor mailboxes or honeypot mailboxes. That's the goal. So in everything that I do with you, I'm going to focus on helping you with one metric, which is sales. And if we back from sales, we go into, a funnel. We have to have so many people open, so many people click, so many people click on your call to action in the email, so many people go through your funnel and put in their credit card or whatever you're going to do, whatever your call to action is. That's a funnel. It starts with getting your email delivered, and you're going to use real deliverability metrics, not fake ones. Now, how many monitor mailboxes, how many honeypots got your inbox? Doesn't mean anything. They're not real email addresses, and they're not behaving like real email addresses. Doesn't mean anything. So clicks is a really good metric. Clicks, how many people, basically how many opens is nice, but how many people actually clicked? How many clicks? So that's kind of what I use, clicks. Let me show you that. Let's see. That's really my success. How many people click? How many people buy? How much money did you make on the email? So we're going to focus a lot on that. Okay, so in another video I'm doing, I'm going to show you how to analyze a send. I'm going to show you a real send behind the scenes and how you would analyze the results and how you would determine success from that.